So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will try to make this sheet metal part in Catia software. So here you can see this is my 3D model, and here there is a front view, there is a top view. So parameters are given right here. So my approach is, so let's see how can we design this part. So I want to design it from the front view. So go to software and the start mechanical design, generator sheet metal design. So give a name, so then okay. The first thing is I need to specify the parameters. So see, these are the parameters. Okay, click on the position sketch. Let's select the plane where you want to make your first sketch. Click on OK. Let's make the first sketch. So right, this one. Let's make the first sketch. So it is somewhat like this. Click on the profile. Let's make a profile like this, and now give the dimensions. So now let's add one fillet here, which has a radius of 6. Right, now this line has a 118 or 119 or 118, and this line has a length of 99, and this line angle is given, so that is 160, and this line length is also given, that is 45. Next, from this point to end point the distance is given, and from this to maybe this, the length is given, and this length is also given. Right, let's specify these distances. This is 99, that is okay, and this is about 246. Double click 246, enter, and this is about overall distance, this is 657. Right, now vertical distance from this to this, how much it is? 159, enter. And one more thing is this line from this point to this, that is 78, enter. That's it. Full sketch is completed. Now exit. Now extrude it up to, so the dimension for this small rib is not given, so what you can do is, so let's make an extrusion of 585 from here to here, plus consider it as a 60, so 585 plus 60. Click on the extrusion, 585 plus 60, click on preview, click on OK. Right, this is my base plate, so entire profile is completed. Now talking about this cut, so click on the position sketch, select this profile, select this plane as a sketch plane, click on OK. I want to make a one cut right here, so for that I'm choosing the corner rectangle like this, and now constrain it. So I want to coincidence these two lines and these two lines, and from here to here consider it as a 60, and from here to here we have taken as 60. Right, so from here to here, so that is given right here, so 80, so this is about 80, enter. Now exit. So use the cutout option and choose up to next, click on preview, click on OK. right? Now talking about this side, first let's make this cutout. For that, click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. Let's make one more center corner rectangle like this. Make sure these two lines are constant with each other, and from here to here, which is 80, right? And what about this length, which is given 230, and what about this one, which is also given 210, right? So now after that, so here is a one circle is there, half circle. The radius of this one is not given, so that is maybe you can take as 46 diameter. So click on the half circle. See, I have drawn it in the middle like this, and the diameter is about 46. That means 23 is the radius, right? Just trim the midline like this, and let's make this cutout. So click on the profile, like this, and choose the trim option and select this. Now construct this properly. This length 30, and this 46, and 83.5 from here to here, 83.5, enter. See, and I want to take a one more profile from here to maybe here only. Let's rotate it. I want to cut this up to here only, so normal, and make sure this line is coincide with this one, right? Now click on the profile tool again and start the profile like this. Let's use the trim tool to trim this. So we need to constrain it everything again, so don't worry, we will constrain it from here to here. She is given as 230, that's okay, and from this to this distance is given, that is 41.5, 1.5, enter. That's it, everything is constrained up to here, right? So maybe, so where the mistake is, I want to constrain this line with this, that's it, right? Everything is okay. Exit, use the cutout, and make sure it is up to next. Click on preview, click on OK, right? Right, everything is okay. And here you can see there is a one more thing that I need to cut, so I need to edit the previous cut sketch. Double click on the sketch, and let's make a one more profile like this. Use the trim tool to trim this mid portion. Let's constrain this now, so maybe it is a 30 only, and make sure this line is coincident with this edge. That's it. Exit, it is okay now. right? So now talking about this pattern, so how can I do that pattern? Let's try one way. So let's flatten it first, and then we'll use the pattern option very easily. But before that, let's add a one circle right here. So maybe the circle is on this flat one. So for that, click on the position sketch, select this as a sketch plane, click on OK. On sketch to edit it again, and delete this dimension, right? Now from the center to this edge, which is 22. Now exit. Now use the pocket option or this cutout, click on preview. See, this is how it will looks like in the 3D model itself. It is like this only. So or else what you can do is, so you can use the flat option, flatten. So select all and choose this as a reference, click on preview, click on OK. See, so this is that mistake. So delete this cutout. Now let's add one more sketch on this plane, click on OK. I want to add one circle like this. What about the radius of this circle? See, 240. That means diameter is 80. Enter. And from this to this, 120 is the distance. Enter. And from this to this edge, which is about 22, and exit and choose the cutout option. Click on preview, click on OK. This is OK now. I'm talking about the pattern, the slot. So click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. The slot details that are given right here, you can see. So click on the slot option for slot like this. And what is the radius of that? So 6.5. So this dimension will act as a radius 6.5. Enter. And what about the length? 98. So midline length is about 98. That's okay. And on the top, exit. So unbend it. So unbend, the option is right here. Select all, and the reference is this. Click on preview, click on OK. And let's make one more sketch on this plane. Click on OK. Right click on the slot option like this, and the radius is about 6.5, right? Or 6.4, not 6.5. This length is about 98, right? So not on 98, is that 98? 98, okay. From the center to top, which is about 36.5, 36.5, and from this to this, how much it is? 18. And no, 36.5. This distance is okay, and this is about 18. Exit. Cutout. Click on preview. Click on OK. Now use the linear pattern or rectangular pattern and select this cutout. See, the objective pattern is this cutout 5 only, and the reference you can choose any edge as a reference. You can see the arrow symbol, so that is going opposite direction. Click on the reverse. So let's count how many things that we need. So we are here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 instances I need. 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 instances I need. 20. Preview. The distance, what is the distance? So 25. On preview. See, but some instances that I don't need, so how can I edit them? So you cannot do that in the 3D model level, so you have to do it in the sketch level itself. So for that, select this all entities, and here the translate option is there. I want to translate all these with respect to this center point. Right, the value is 25. Enter. Control Z. 20 instances I need. Enter. See, this is how. So maybe Control Z. 25. Enter. So this is not correct, so maybe the center point. Control Z. So center point, you can choose this as your center point. Now specify the distance 25. Enter. Control Z. 25. Enter. Now it may work. And the pattern feature should be this cutout 5. So here you can say objective pattern is cutout this 5. And the reference, you can choose any of the line as a reference. See, the arrow is going opposite direction. Click on the reverse, and here I want 17 instances. Click on preview, and the distance is 25. Click on preview again. See, I want only 14 instances. Click on preview. See, click on OK. Now I want the same slot on this side also, so what I have to do is, so I need to draw it manually again. That's the option I have. Select the slot option like this, and make sure this dimension is about 6.5. Enter. Right, so now this line is about 98, and from this to this is about 36.5. Enter. And from this line to this edge to this line, which is about 18. Exit. Here you need to add 3 instances. Click on the cutout, click on OK, and use the rectangular pattern again. Cutout 6, and reference as this on reverse direction. I want only 3. Click on preview. Somewhat it is okay. Click on OK. That's it. The next thing is you need to add 3 more slots here. So for that, click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. Let's make 3 slots. like this. This dimension is about same 6.5, enter, and from this line to this line, so it is about 25, and from this to this end point, which is 36.5. Only thing is I don't know about this one, so I need to take it approximate. So it is okay. So no, it is not okay. 70. Okay, it is okay. Let's keep it. Now select all these by window selection and use the translate option. Control Z. Enter. Now it is okay. Exit. Use the cutout. Preview. Okay. This way you can create this pattern like this. The next thing is, it is simple. So these holes. So how can you do that? So detail A, that is given right here. So for that, click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. Let's make a one slot. Click on the slot that is oriented like this. Dimension for this slot, what is the radius? 25. Enter. Maybe that is not correct. That is also 5. Alright. The distance is also 5. Distance is 5. And 75. From this to this 75. And it is about 16. From this to this. Right, exit. Use the cutout option. Okay. Now use the rectangular pattern. Choose this cutout 8 as your object to pattern, and the direction, you can choose this as my direction. And what about the gap between these two? That is not given, right? So 550 from here to here. So 10 mm, that means 540 minus 70, that will be 370, 365. So the spacing will be 365, and this is 2 only. Click on preview. See, this seems like correct or not? So this is not seems like correct means, so 465 it is, not 565, 465. See, and the second direction, you can choose the reference as this H. What about the distance? 59. Spacing 59. Preview. Sorry, double click on the rectangular command, and spacing 2, you need to select 2. Click on preview. Click on OK. That's it. In this way you can use the rectangular pattern for making the sheet metal parts like this. So if you find anything helpful in this video, so 2 more things cutouts are there. So it's been too much time for making these sketches, that's why I'm just leaving those portions. There's nothing too much in that of it. Let's add in the sketch and then cut out. That's it. So if you find anything helpful in this video, so please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks for watching.